Jesus makes many people well. Spend some time sharing how your week has been. Now read or listen to this Bible passage. Then Jesus left the meeting place. He took James and John with him to the home of Simon and Andrew. The mother of Simon's wife was ill in bed. Her body was very hot. Immediately Simon and Andrew told Jesus about her. So Jesus went to her and he held her hand. Then he helped her to sit up and she was well again. Immediately she prepared food for her visitors. That evening, when the sun had gone down, people in the town came to Jesus. They brought to him everyone who was ill, and they brought people with bad spirits in them. All these people were standing together near the door of the house. Jesus caused many sick people to become well. They had many different kinds of illness. He also caused many bad spirits to leave people. The spirits knew who he was. So Jesus did not let them speak. Mark's Gospel, chapter 1, verses 29 to 34. Firstly, some background information to help you understand the story. The meeting place mentioned was a place where those who believed in God, called Jews, the people of Judah, met together and listened to the Bible being read, and they prayed. James, John, Simon and Andrew were disciples of Jesus. Bad spirits are those that cause people to become delirious or foam at the mouth or become violent towards other people. Now discuss these questions with your Bible study group. 1. What kind of illness do you think the mother of Simon's wife had before Jesus healed her? 2. What does this passage show us about who Jesus is? 3. How do you think the bad spirits knew who Jesus was? 4. What does this story show about how Jesus cares for us? 5. How in your lives have you seen Jesus care for you? 6. Spend a few minutes in prayer thanking Jesus for his care for us. 7. Who do you think you can tell this story to? Perhaps a friend or a member of your family. 8. Share a few stories of times you have seen people healed in your church. Spend some time praying for one another that you may have the same boldness to share the good news that the disciples had in the book of Acts, and especially that you may have opportunities to share this Bible story from the Gospel of Mark with others.